In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to export your animations from Adobe After Effects with a transparent background. This can be really useful when you're creating things like logo reveals and lower thirds. So let's jump onto the computer and into After Effects. So in After Effects here, I've got this simple lower third animation that you probably recognise from my other YouTube videos. So let's say you've created something similar to this, a lower third or a logo reveal for example, and you want to overlay it on a video clip in the editing software, whether that's Adobe Premiere or Final Cut Pro. And also have this graphic as its own standalone video file that you can use anywhere. To do that, we'll need to have this graphic on a transparent background. So to check if your graphic has got a transparent background, just click the little transparency button here. So if this button is toggled off, you'll see the composition background color, which in my case is black. Yours might be a different color. And if you did want to change the background color of your composition, you can just come up to Composition and Composition Settings, and then down here in background color, you can click on that, and then we can change the color to whatever color you want. But we'll just leave it as black for now. Hit OK and OK again. But when the transparency button is toggled on, you'll see that you've got this grey and white squared pattern in your background. This is telling you that your background is transparent. So once you know that you've got a transparent background, head on up to Composition and Add to Render Queue. And you can leave most of these settings as they are. The only one you need to change really is the output module. So we'll click on Lossless here next to Output Module. And you need to go into Video Output and Channels and just change the channel from RGB to RGB plus Alpha. This will give you the transparent background. Hit OK and then come into the Output 2, which is where you're going to save the video file. So we click on the file name here, choose where you want to save it, press save and then just hit render. So once you've rendered your animation out of After Effects, you can come into your editing software. I'm just using Adobe Premiere Pro here, and import it into your software. And then all we need to do is drag it on top of a video clip that you've already got in your timeline. So I've got one here already. And now you can see that we've got the graphic with a transparent background. So we can see the original video clip behind the graphic, which is exactly what we want. If you're using Adobe Premiere Pro with Adobe After Effects, you can actually use Adobe Dynamic Link to achieve the same result as we've got here. And I'll link up the tutorial that I did that walks you through how to use Adobe Dynamic Link in the cards and the description below. So that's how you export a graphic with a transparent background from Adobe After Effects. So there you have it. I really hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial in Adobe After Effects. If you did, give it a like and let me know if you have any questions in the comments section below this video. If you're new here, subscribe to my channel to get notified of new videos I release on video production, video editing and video marketing. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.